Welcome back. Sorry to miss last week. Had some time-sensitive personal business to take care of. That's hopefully resolved now, so back to Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. So last time, working in Ghidra, we wrote just a short set of functions that will iterate over all the files in a project, in this case all class files, and will run something against each of them. Our simple, stupid project, or simple example, just printed out the name. But it was enough to prove that things seem to be working. So the next thing I want to do, and I'm going to open MinecraftServer.class to start, is I want to see if we can find a way to have this automatically fill in these comments that we have here. Because right now, doing them by hand for 1 or 2 is fine. Doing them by hand for 20,000 plus files is not is an untractable solution. So this is going to be some experimentation with our API. Hopefully we'll make some progress. If we don't, hopefully we'll narrow down where to search in the future. My nose. Sorry. Okay, so first things, let's go to the script manager, new script, test script. Let's edit this in Eclipse. And also, waiting for it to connect. Okay. Okay, so we've got this. Let's see if we can get to API help. And yes, we can. So at this point, we can get API help. We have our thing for processing files. And literally all it does at this point is print the name, which is helpful, but not helpful. So printing the name is a good start. It shows that we can iterate, but it doesn't actually do anything. So we need to look at Ghidra script and see what pieces of information we have available to us. Okay, we'll have the current state in the form of class instance variables, current program, and you'll notice we use that here to get the memory. And then how did we get, okay, project was get state, get project, current address, the address of the current cursor location in the tool. That'll be useful when we start doing renames and stuff, because doing renames across all the different files is non-trivial, to say the least. But we have the current address of the current cursor location. We should be able to do it. It should at least be a possible problem to solve. Current location, program location of the current cursor. Again, that'll be useful in the future. Current selection, useful in the future. Current highlight, useful in the future. So let's see what we've got. So in Ghidra script, we have analysis mode. Okay, that's some enumeration. Okay. Fields, address, or current address, current highlight, current location, current selection, Potential properties file locations, properties file parameters, source file, state writer. What's this source file? Resource file. Okay, that looks to be a way to actually get to the file on the file server, or on the file system, sorry. So not really what I was hoping for. State. Ghidra state represents the current state of a Ghidra tool. Environment variables, parameters, current address, current highlight, program, current selection. Highlight, current location, current selection. Okay, that's not what I want. Let's see. Writer. Ask a lot of things. Okay, those asks will be useful when we need to come up with a string for a rename. So good to be aware of those. Not currently what I need though. Program. Okay, let's come over here. Let's look at this. We've got program trees. Let's see if we have a way to get the program tree. Root folder. Project root folder. State. And let's open program parse. Lots of parsing, lots of printing. Can't change the script's name. That's we don't want to. Okay. So let's see. What do we have in our script? We are getting get project is a Ghidra straight get project. So it looks like get project is probably our best bet for starting. Wait, what is the type of domain file? Domain file. Domain file. That does not help me. Ghidra user state. Program program. This looks promising. Address, and what did I say I wanted? I wanted the program tree. Listing, code unit macros, fragments, and modules. Okay. Select addresses. Okay. Constant pool. Constant. Constant. Okay, that doesn't appear to be it. Equate table. Program function manager. Create function. Okay, that doesn't sound quite right. So get memory. What does this do? It's the memory object. Okay, I think this was how we got all the different blocks we did before. Give me an address. Memory is get memory. So we get a bunch of blocks. It set bytes. Okay, right now not what I want, unfortunately. Symbol table. Symbol table. Symbol tree. So let's see if what we got in here. Symbol table. Associate an address, a string name. In addition, symbols may have one or more references. Any address can have multiple symbols. Excuse me. Either global or local. Okay. So, symbol table. So this is a good start. This seems promising. We have access to the symbol table. So let's get memory. So how did I get there? Get symbol table. The current program dot symbol table. Okay, symbol table dot create class, create symbol, get all symbols. Get children. Get external symbols. That's interesting. They don't appear to have created external symbols when they did this, so let's go to get all symbols. Let's see. Dot get all symbols true for var s in s dot get name print and let's comment this out because I don't want to do that anymore for now. Okay, so let's see what happens when we iterate over all of these. And let's go back here, and I believe backslash is what I hit. Hey, some of those names look familiar. They suck, they're terrible names, but okay, we have init. Oh, Yggdrasil. Okay, so interesting. Lab RAM. Let's see, lab RAM. A Java lang string. Eee. Hey, that one. That's what we're looking at. Maybe. Okay. So that's kind of cool. Overriding symbol with different type size. That doesn't help me. Okay. So we're able to get these symbol names. That is awesome. It doesn't solve the problem, but it gives us more data. So that means we're at least seeing some of these. I wonder... I want to search this. Good friend Vim. Okay. If I can't find it in Vim, nobody can. Slash constant pool. Interesting. So 1, 2, 4, 5. Curious. Constant pool. So we got a lot of stuff in the constant pool. Golly, there's a lot of symbols. Okay, so that doesn't help me as much as I was hoping. So do we have... Huh. Let's see. We've got some of these up here. Fun. This is definitely something to do if you're already more familiar with the low levels of how Java works, because I have never gotten this low into Java. Start getting into C and C++, not a problem. So that's good. We've got s.name, s.address. Print when, let's see if we can just print address dot toString. Okay, let's see how this goes. Maybe this will give us more information. Okay. So an address is both where it's at and the address. So if we go to RAM, it's a RAM. Okay, constant pool. A. Interesting. So that gets, oh, I see. So we're in the constant pool, which is in here. Class file constant pool 000. That's pretty awesome. And address A gets us there. So what's before that? Okay, so why does it start with A? That's kind of annoying. Let's see, control revamp. class file constant pool colon 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Huh. So we don't have any symbols there. Why would we not have symbols at 0? Because we see A and we see 31. There's A. $31. So this one is named, but Cafe Babe is not named. Let's see if we can find magic. Magic. Also not there. So class file. Class file. That's from before. This is from now. So that doesn't help a whole lot. Nope, class file. Close the constant pool. Access. Okay, so still not quite what we're looking for, but we're getting there. Excuse me. S dot parent okay, get parent symbol. Dot get name true. Parent and let's clear this. Slash okay, so if s dot get parent symbol null isn't null, else parent null. And let's see how this goes. Is anything not null? Global. Global. Okay, a lot of this is null. see what happens when we go down here to this constant pool. That one's null. So, also not what I'm looking for. Anyway, we've been beating our head against this for half an hour. Let's go play some Minecraft. So they've been releasing new versions. We're up to 1.14.2. We'll start the server and we will run the latest version of Minecraft. Take it a minute. Connecting, come on, connection. Okay. So I did do a little bit of AFK fishing. Luck of the Sea 2, Unbreaking 3. Still got more work to do to get an ultimate fishing rod, but mending, please, mending. Don't have it yet. Also, let's continue down. Let's see what we've got at the bottom. The biggest thing I did do was I mined out that chunk that was supposed to be a slime chunk. And with it mined out, lo and behold, of course there isn't one now, but I found a slime. So 3 slime balls, I've got a slime chunk. What does that mean? It means that I didn't mine out far enough to the sides, but it means we've got a slime chunk. A slime chunk is a good thing. It means we have a way to reliably get slime in the future. So, first thing you do, let's kill slimes. How do we kill slimes? In this case, one of the more efficient ways is to use those magma blocks, lava blocks, whatever they're called. Slimes will jump onto them, slimes will die. Since slimes do that, we need a way to handle it. And that is going to be rails. Redstone. And redstone. New recipes. Okay. And okay, we can make sticky pistons. Yay. Where is... Let's see. Rail. Cart. Anyway, I'm pretty sure that and that. Rail. Showing the craftable. So what am I doing wrong? Why won't this show up? Minecart. That's good. Armor. Gold block, iron block. Minecart, cauldron, iron nugget, gold nugget. Interesting, because I can craft powered rails. Okay, don't know why that didn't show up. Okay, I can craft rails. I don't know why that didn't show up. I've got some gold ore. I'm going to smelt that up. Okay. Hey, the monsters left me alone. And I'm going to get rid of some of this cobblestone and that bow. And let's put some of this stuff here. We'll need to come back for this. We are going to need this, but first we got to go to the Nether because we hate ourselves. No, because the Nether we need those magma block thingies. And where are they? In the Nether. Okay. A creeper. I'm happy about that. So let's see if we can find anything. We need 6 times 18. 2 stacks will be plenty. I do need to probably get down lower because you can see him over there. And I don't want to attack a zombie pigman. Why? Because they will kill me. Ooh. Anyway, over there would be good. Already went that way. I don't really need to go up. I need to go down. Is that another fortress? Another fortress would also be good. Apparently I came down here. And if I recall, I followed my doom there. So let's not do that. Okay. Okay. I need that rock. I have no way down. God. Maybe over there I do. Okay. So let's see. Can I get over there? Not any good way from there. Let's see what happens if I go up here. Let's not fall over the edge. terrified of gas showing up too. Because I don't want to fight one. Okay. Let's see. Come around and up. Okay, won't say no to this stuff. Other quartz. Fun. Oh. I mean, cool and all that, but dang it. You know what I should have done? Should have recorded somewhere what the coordinates are of another portal. Probably would have been wise. Amazing how far one block of lava can spread. Okay. On the plus side, yeah, I'm sure there's a plus side. It's kind of frustrating. I want to get down low. I am not down low. I do not want to attack one of those guys because that would be the death of me. Let's see. Over here. And gasped. Well, that didn't hit me. That's not what I wanted. Okay. Well, crud. Now, how did I get up here? Over here. There we go. I mean, I suppose a gas blowing me up would be a quick way to get down, but I want to live. So, I think I shall forego that possibility of the gas dimming, not the living. Okay. Here we go. $24.68, negative 23. $24.68, negative 23. $24.68, negative 23. Okay. Locations. 24.68 minus 23. Okay. Less likely to get irreparably lost. I hope. Okay. How do I get down? Maybe I can. If I go over there. Looked like. Let's see. What is it? How is it connected? Not connected. Curses. It does look to be relatively close. So, maybe my way. Okay. Because of course there's one right there. Let's avoid that one. Okay. Okay. Promising. This is terrifying. If Ghast finds me, I am toast. Nope. Okay, so does that get me closer? Please tell me it gets me closer. I have no idea. Maybe over here? Wow, this is ridiculous. You're so close. I can see soul sand. I need that stuff. Oh, that's terrifying. Wonder if there's any more convenient over here. Lots of lava. Next torch. Okay. Soul sand. And sand. Sand. Okay. This place terrifies me. For no other reason, I don't have audio on. I can't hear when the guest is around. That, and I don't want to fry. Okay. Okay, so I dug that whole vein out. It got me a little over a stack. I need 18 times 2. Anyway, 18 times 6. And, of course, that's what I get for not having a new pickaxe. Well, let's go back. I was hoping I wouldn't have to run out of a pickaxe, but I did. It's my own fault. At least I have a way down and supposedly up. Oh, gassed. Tell that gas to go away. At least I have iron armor. Away, you stupid ghast. Stay away. Okay. Gas hits me. It's over. I'll be so frustrated. Okay. How did I get to here? That's it. Yep. Okay. Oh, that was scary. I guess what we learned from this is make sure you got a clean pickaxe. It was stupid. At least got some gold. 17. Have more sticks. And some redstone. And okay, so we've got at least a start. And this one's useless too. Stick. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there a little bit. Slowly. Need a place to put these. This will be useful later. So it's looking like we at least have a way to get to and get the magma blocks. We should have enough resources to build the rail system to collect, at least I think. Yeah, we got plenty of iron. So it's looking like we're about there, at least as far as resources to get this thing started. We are going to have to build some iron golems. Those things are expensive, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Till then, later.